Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we are talking about how to create matrix report in SQL. Matrix reports are similar to summary report but allow you to group and summarize data by both rows and columns. But you may think it's crazy. Is it possible? Why you do that? More than 10 years ago, we didn't have today's reporting tools. In a retail project, I only generate a summary report like this. I want to do some surgery on this report. First, I pivot it. Then, I summarize it by rows. Finally, I summarize it by column. I can save the result as a TXT file. It's a beautiful matrix report. Also, I just need to change the field name and we can immediately get a different report. It looks like magic. Keep learning, keep thinking. Alright, let's learn SQL from real job. See you next course.